Yaa Dhaktarka baahan yahay. Aniga Dhaktarka Baaahni. Boqolkii o sagaal iyo sagaashan jeer aniga kama fikiro Dhaktarka. Boqolkii o sagaal iyo sagaashan jeer isbitaalka daan malahi. Boqolkii o sagaal iyo sagaashan jeer dawo waan katakadar yer. Tasi waa sababta ayaan sidaas fikriya. Dhaktarka ama isbitaalada ama farmacia talagalan dadki buka ama jiran. Anigu gudahan afamad bankaba. Hiso malahi arimaha dawo ama taktir ama isbitaalka kusabsan. Lakin hadu udurka COVID sagal iyo sagaashan ka idaya o an kabuko udurka ofwarenka ama waha I kadaya udurkala o halasa. Wahan ordidona Dhaktarka, wahan ordidona isbitaalka, and wahan ordidona farmacia, wahan samin dona wakasta an samin kara, si anke hello awamad iyo raho. Dadka si baahan hanunsada, ayadonia una baahan yahay, awamad iyo afamad. Tasi wahai I hasusinesa waha isa uyedi marke ulimada ananin isaga, Marco Asa wakla onye debiliasha. Matthios, o herta Ciise Masiix her kamidaha, o sido kala asher kalia uaha dalada romanka. Aya Asa ku asume inu good Isa ashada la fristo. Wakan tarik da eka yemed kitab kruska a, suradi lukos, kaipta shanad, ayadi lab segal ila batanad, ila lab io sodadad. Lawi, o Matthios magakale, wuhu guri gisa ugusame diafid wing. Wahana joge karban o asha kadayal, io karkala unto ulo fadia iaga. Markasa farasinti ulumadodi, inte hertisika ganuna ein, wahaiku yirahade, mahada asha kadayasha io dembilayasha wakulo untan ukula abtan. Asa aya ujawabe okuyedi. Kuwa lan daktar bahna, lakin kuwa buka aya ubahan. Anigu an iman inan kuwa haka a uyedo, lakin inan dembilayasha tobada uguyedo, ayano imid. Dagi ku edeye asa inu herila leyahai dembilayasha, wahai umalenien ine rukhoda ahan afamade kabain. Ma esan ogen ine kibrika io ishak daroka iaga kadigte ine haga rukhodan. Wahai didi jirein bogsashida naftoda esa kuya bohe inu iaga siyo. Ashakadayasha io debilayashuba weogaden ine esa ubahanyahin. Sasawaded wahayu yamade nisaga we tobar kenen o wahayu helen naftoda kuwa wakbogsinia. Midkamida video dedi hore wahan kagawada hadle rahada uguwanagsan enolosha odan. Hita rajo demasha dena kusabsan. Esa wuhu bihia rahada sokale. Hita waktiada dibban dektoda sida an hadalakulano. Sade enu kibrad uguhelikarna jamiraan. Suasha labad catechismka aya sedan ino wedinea. Mahad ogan lahaid. Hadiyad rabtin ad kudolated, o ad kudimated rahmada dirigalintan. Jawab talabad, sadak she wa inan akan, wa inan ogado, wa inan dembia deda, io dachumadeda. Wa inan ogado, sidi lega horeye dembia dedi, io dachumadedi odan. Wa inan ogado, sidan mahad ugu elin laha, marak farashadisa awaded. Wahan edin Virginia. Inan mardambe kalahadli karno, wiki kusabsan arantan. Iminka ilahaku barakeyo. Ilahaku digo faraxan, io kadus, io afamadle. Nabigelio. Aniga wahan donia inan laga hadal no arantan afagriski hada. Comfort for COVID. 99% of the time, I don't think about doctors. 99% of the time, I stay away from hospitals. And 99% of the time, I could care less about medicine. And that's because doctors, hospitals, and pharmacies are for sick people. I'm generally healthy, and I become uncomfortable when I think about being sick. But if I come down with COVID-19, or if I develop pneumonia, or I become infected by another dangerous disease, I will run to the doctor, and I will run to the hospital, and I will run to the pharmacy. I'll do whatever I can to find help and comfort. People who are desperately sick need, want, and are desperately eager to find help. Now it reminds me of something Jesus said when people despised him for eating with sinners. Matthew, who was one of his disciples, also a tax collector for the Roman government, invited Jesus to come to dinner at his house. We read in the Bible that Levi, another name for Matthew, held a great banquet for Jesus at his house, and a large crowd of tax collectors and others were eating with them. But the Pharisees and the teachers of the law who belonged to their sect complained to his disciples, "Why do you eat and drink with tax collectors and sinners?" Jesus answered them, "It's not the healthy who need a doctor, but the sick. I have not come to call the righteous, but sinners to repentance." The people who accused Jesus of associating with sinners thought that they were spiritually healthy. They didn't realize that their pride and self-righteousness made them spiritually ill as well. They rejected the healing for the soul that Jesus offered to give them. The tax collectors and sinners knew that they needed Jesus, came to him, repented, and found healing for their souls. In one of my earlier videos, we talked about the comfort that's good for all of life, even in dying. Jesus offers that kind of comfort, even in times as troublesome as we are experiencing right now. How can we experience that comfort? Catechism puts it this way: what must I know to live and die in that comfort? 3 things. 1, how great my sin and misery are. 2, how I am to be set free from that misery. And 3, how I am to live thankfully when I am set free. I hope to talk to you about this more later. For now, God bless you. God keep you happy, holy, and healthy. Goodbye for now.